We're here today at American Underwater Services where something big is happening. Anthony's about to tell us what's going on.
About 6, 7, 8 months ago, we ordered one of the smaller mudcat dredges that will kind of allow us to work within HOA, homeowners ponds, golf courses, and plants in some smaller areas. So today is a very good day. It's a fun day because it's being delivered.
The two large diesel tractor trailers have arrived, delivering not only a trailer, but also the eagerly awaited new dredge.
We purchased this one just because it is a newer machine and it'll fit in a little smaller spaces. Our 275 is just a little too big to go in some of the areas. This one will fit in just about all of them. It's got a great pumping distance, very powerful. It has the optional heads for the weed cutter and harvester with the paddle wheel, which our other dredges don't have. That way, on the areas where we have cattails and heavy vegetation, we don't have to bring in a long reach or a weed harvester to get it in. We already have one.
The trailer is no ordinary one. It's a custom design crafted specifically to accommodate the placement of the new dredge.
So this is our 240-ton crane. We have a 500-ton crane. And then on Saturday, I was building a crawler crane, one that drive on tracks. It's called a 888. Here's my counterweight, outriggers, 360, which is how far I can spin around, and parts of line. Yeah, there's custom settings for all this stuff. So right now I'm at 26,000 pounds of counterweight. Hit enter, and it gives me all my calculations here. I'm rated for 67,000 currently. I'm holding 5,000 at 25 feet radius, 65.7 degree boom angle, and 73 feet of boom length.
The invaluable services of Tatum Crane come into play today, with their unmatched expertise consistently relied upon. Their solutions are top-notch, ensuring a smooth operations.
Best company I've run, best crane I've run. Ty, my boss man, he's a real good dude. Really like it here. I was running a crane similar to this in North Dakota. Load I was picking up was stuck in ice. I couldn't see it. It was a blind pick. Load was stuck in ice, and my rigger didn't tell me. I cabled up on it and almost flipped the crane over directly over the highway. Look up crane fails on YouTube. Whole lot of knowledge on how not to do this.
Today is significant. It marks the arrival of the advanced equipment, the accumulation of years of dedication. Anthony DiUlio and Gary Pierce, co-founders of American Underwater Services, which began this journey in 1999 with a vision. Now, nearly 25 years later, their partnership thrives, enabling them to tackle over 500 projects annually, shaping the underwater construction industry and preserving our environment.
The Tatum Crane Service out of Fort Worth, they've completely just kind of show up pretty much almost any time we need. And all their equipment, I'm noticing, is just spotless. It's what you would expect from a good company out of Fort Worth for sure. We appreciate the Tatum Crane Service for sure. Nice new trucks, nice new crane. We've had them unloading all our machines and equipment for probably about 4 years now. And they haven't had one machine that's come here that's had any kind of failures. It's a great bunch, Tatum Crane Service for sure.
We're raising them up just to make sure whenever he sets it down, it doesn't have much clearance below the bottom, just to make sure it doesn't hit. Yeah, we just got to make sure when we get it in the channel, we'll see, we may have to lower those down just a little bit more. I just wanted to get them up just a hair. They're probably too high now, depending on where. Well,
No.
I guess, yeah, we don't have a bar there, so I guess we're good. Then we can set them back down.
The presence of the spotters become paramount as they act as extensions of the crane operator's line of sight, facilitating the precise placement of the new dredge onto the custom trailer.
A lot of the time I can't see what I'm doing, so he becomes very, very important.
The new trailer is equipped with Teflon tracks designed to perfectly align with the grooves on the new dredge, enabling seamless sliding in and out. This marks the inaugural union of these two components as a testament to their custom engineering.
Okay, so let me lower that one down just a hair. Yeah, that top corner looks like it might need to go that way just a hair. I can't, well, no, it's good. It's just the angle I'm at. It's all good.
You can come down. All right, coming down a little bit.
Amidst these
Looks like
intricate preparations, the old Mudcat, fondly referred to as the mothership, makes its grand entrance into the lot.
All right, so what we're fixing to do is we're going to pick this thing up. It weighs about 32,000 pounds. We've got our Mudcat 275D Delta showing up. It's about a 44,000 pound machine. It's an 8-inch dredge. It's a great dredge for American Underwater Services. We use it quite often. It's been in Oklahoma for a while, hence all the red kind of dirt. And so today, basically, we're going to pick it. It's been on the job for a long time. It's going to get kind of gone through, oil changes. It's going to go through a little bit of a bath. So basically right now what they're doing is they're rigging it up to a crane with the Tatum Crane Services. They got a spreader bar way up there which kind of distributes the load. So they're going to rig it up right now. And once they kind of rig it up, we're going to bring it over. We're going to set it down over here on, we just have some railroad trusses and it's going to set down there. Once it sits down there, we'll de-rig it and then we'll be able to do all the work that we need to do. All right. So we're fixing to pick up on the load at the moment. You got your crane handler here. He's kind of managing, telling the operator if he needs to boom down, scope out, pick up the load. You got Lee over there, which is a tag man. He's grabbing the tag line. You got another tag line on the other side.
What do you call that, a Mudcat dredge?
Yep, dredge, D-R-E-D-G-E, Mudcat dredge. So is it a cat in that or is it a coming?
Kitty.
I love the old 379, my favorite body. I think he's fixing to roll you up. You're gonna roll him forward? Yeah, he said he picked him up. He's gonna check real quick. So that's the way out right there, but just pull up a little bit. All right. Marvin, I know you're on vacation. Thanks for your help letting us grow like we are. If it wasn't for you guys at Pinnacle Bank, it'd have been slow roll, but because of you guys, we were able to push into these bigger things. Anyway, so we're gonna lower this sucker down. And it sits on timbers, basically old railroad trestle timbers. I'm sure they're full of creosote, which is nice and caustic, which also means they'll last, as opposed to the junk that's happening these days. And today's a pretty big day at American Underwater Services because we also, at the same time, we received our new barge, our little, I think they call it a 115. I'm still getting used to it. So fun times here at American Underwater Services and looking forward to going to a pond near you.
Pond dredging, commercial diver, and dredging services. American Underwater Services provides specialists to clients' engineering, construction, and maintenance teams, all while utilizing premium equipment that includes dredging machines, cutting-edge diving equipment, and industrial standard high-powered underwater construction equipment. That combination of unique expertise and state-of-the-art resources means we consistently finish projects ahead of schedule and under budget.
Some people still don't grasp what we do. They just can't comprehend it.
Our 26 years of experience as American Underwater Services is the premier and longest standing diving dredging company for virtually any commercial underwater job. We offer innovative, cost-effective solutions to your commercial diving, pond cleaning, and dredging needs.
That's great. Anybody can work in the water if you can breathe. What are some of the skill set that you bring to the table to do the job that they need in a timely manner and as quick as possible?
We are committed to doing what is best for our clients. From our management to our field crews, we build enduring relationships with our clientele by going above and beyond in all we put our hands to. Consult with us today. American Underwater Services. Aquatic engineering done right.